Hey guys, if you're now ready to start spreading the word and focus on attracting your customers to go on trials, this video is definitely one for you. You might not realise it, but the terminology you use to entice a customer to trial something like Usecure can and does make all the difference in success. And it's important to take note of your sales approach. Even though every IT person loves a good trial or two before purchasing, the average company away from IT sometimes are concerned that there will be some kind of catch or hidden agenda at the end. This is why MSPs are using a new approach in the form of a health check. Health checks are warmer, more enticing to the customer, and much easier to get a customer on board. So if you are looking to grow with Usecure, I recommend using these two sentences. While I have you on the phone, Mr. Customer, we have just launched a new product that allows us to run free 14-day health checks on your cybersecurity. You don't have to do anything, but in 2 weeks, I will be able to present you with a report of all of our findings and advise you of any security gaps that you might not be aware of in your business. It's clean, warm, inviting, and very precise. And it's this method that is receiving a lot of success with our MSPs when they are approaching a client. Health checks are useful, non-threatening, and create the right amount of interest without leading a client to expect a sales process at the end. So if you are now considering to approach a few of your clients, simply throw in the words health check and those two sentences, and you should find life a lot easier to convert them. Even better, you can even start mentioning your new health checks at the end of all of your support and sales calls that you have throughout the day and start to really be proactive. That's all from me. Check out our other videos for more hints and tips.